Ever found yourself juggling finances with a loved one, a business partner, or even a close friend, and thought, wouldn't it be simpler if we just had one account? Maybe you're planning a big trip together, managing household expenses, or embarking on a joint business venture. The idea of a shared financial space can be incredibly appealing, promising streamlined budgeting and crystal clear transparency. But then the questions start swirling. Do we really need to trek down to a physical bank branch? In this day and age, shouldn't there be an easier way? Specifically, if Patriot Bank is on your radar, the burning question becomes, can you actually set up a joint Patriot Bank account entirely online? Well, you've landed in the right place. Over the next few minutes, we're going to dive deep into the world of joint bank accounts at Patriot Bank, explore the possibilities of online setup, and walk you through everything you need to know to make an informed decision. We'll uncover the potential benefits, navigate any potential hurdles, and ultimately answer that crucial question. Can you ditch the paperwork and establish your shared financial hub from the comfort of your own home? Let's find out. First things first, let's briefly touch upon why a joint bank account might be the right move for you. Beyond the obvious convenience of shared funds, joint accounts offer a multitude of advantages. Think about simplified bill payments, no more chasing each other for contributions. Imagine the ease of tracking shared expenses, providing a clear overview of where your money is going as a team. For couples, it can foster financial intimacy and collaboration towards shared goals, whether it's saving for a down payment on a house or planning that dream vacation. For business partners, a joint account can streamline operational costs and provide a transparent record of transactions. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. Joint accounts also come with their own set of considerations. Trust and open communication are paramount. Each account holder typically has equal access to the funds, meaning one person's actions can impact everyone involved. It's crucial to have a solid understanding of each other's spending habits and financial responsibility. Furthermore, in the unfortunate event of a disagreement or separation, untangling joint finances can sometimes become complex. Now that we've laid the groundwork, let's zero in on Patriot Bank. Patriot Bank is a well-established financial institution known for its community focus and a range of banking products and services. They offer various types of accounts, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and money market accounts. The key here is whether their offerings extend to the seamless online setup of joint accounts. In today's digital age, most banks are striving to offer convenient online services, recognizing that customers value efficiency and the ability to manage their finances remotely. Opening a single-person account online has become commonplace, often involving a straightforward application process, identity verification through digital means, and account funding via electronic transfer. However, the process for opening a joint account online can sometimes be a bit more nuanced. This is primarily due to the need to verify the identities and obtain the consent of all individuals who will be party to the account. Traditional methods often involve all applicants being physically present at a bank branch to sign necessary documents and provide identification. So, does Patriot Bank break this mold? Do they offer a fully online pathway to establishing a joint account? To answer this definitively, the most reliable source of information is always going to be Patriot Bank themselves. Their official website is usually the first port of call. Navigate to their account opening section, typically found under personal banking or business banking, depending on the type of joint account you're interested in. Look for options related to checking or savings accounts and see if there's a clear pathway for joint accounts or the ability to add multiple applicants during the online application process. Keep an eye out for specific instructions or FAQs related to joint accounts. Sometimes, banks will explicitly state whether online setup is available and, if so, what the process entails. They might outline the required information for each applicant, the methods for verifying identities remotely, such as uploading identification documents or using video conferencing, and the steps for providing joint consent. If the website isn't crystal clear, the next best step is to explore their customer service channels. Patriot Bank likely has a dedicated customer support team that you can reach via phone, email, or even live chat on their website. Don't hesitate to directly ask them the question, Can I set up a joint checking/savings account online? Be specific about your needs, and they should be able to provide you with the most up-to-date and accurate information. While you're in touch with customer service, you might also want to inquire about any specific requirements or documentation needed for joint account holders. This could include things like social security numbers, driver's licenses, or other forms of identification, and potentially information about your relationship, especially if it's a personal joint account. Knowing this upfront will save you time and potential frustration down the line. It's also worth considering the type of joint account you're interested in. Banks often offer different types of joint accounts, such as joint with survivorship, where the surviving account holder automatically inherits the funds, or joint without survivorship, where the deceased share goes to their estate. The online setup process, if available, might differ slightly depending on the specific type of joint account you choose. Now, let's speculate a bit based on common industry trends. While some financial institutions have fully embraced online joint account opening, others might still have some limitations. It's possible that Patriot Bank might allow you to start the application process online, where you can input the basic information for all account holders. However, they might then require a final verification step in person at a branch. This hybrid approach balances convenience with the need for secure identity verification. Another possibility is that they might offer a fully online process but with stringent identity verification measures for all applicants. This could involve secure document uploads, multi-factor authentication, and potentially even video calls with bank representatives to confirm identities. On the other hand, it's also conceivable that Patriot Bank might currently require all joint account holders to visit a physical branch to open an account. This could be due to their internal policies, security protocols, or simply the stage of their digital service development. Regardless of the online setup possibilities, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with Patriot Bank's specific terms and conditions for joint accounts. Understand the rights and responsibilities of each account holder, the process for managing the account, e.g., transaction limits, overdraft policies, and the procedures for resolving any potential disputes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.